YouTube, what's up? This is Ben Organic Food Forest. I'm just gonna be showing you guys my cranberry hibiscus, rose mallow plant. It's related to the hibiscus family, and the leaves here. See these young leaves are actually edible. You could actually. Mhm. Yeah, guys, the cranberry hibiscus it have a slight sour tart kind of taste, and it's you could eat it raw or you could cook it. In South America, they use it in stir fries and salads. Yeah, it's also a perennial plant. So in the winter time, I mean December, January, the plant here is full of pink blossoms, pink hibiscus looking flower, which we also use in teas and stuff. Give the tea a real nice flavor, and it all the beautification at the front, and it also in the back in the garden. It also give it that bright look with all these flowers. I mean, each day you're getting at least 50 to 60 flowers all over these plants. So let's imagine that view. Yeah, all right. So guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Cranberry hibiscus, call it rose mallow. It's a flowering plant of the hibiscus family. And remember, the leaves are edible. You could add it to salads and other stuff. All right. Listen. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.